Good morning, children. From today, I am explaining you BODMAS simplification using BODMAS. 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 What is the full form of BODMAS, children? B means brackets. Yes, B means brackets. O means brackets. O means of brackets. Then division. D means division. 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 Then multiplication. Multiplication. Then A means addition. Then S means subtraction. Okay. First, whenever they give you sum, first you have to remove the brackets. Yes, in the sum they'll give you all this. So first you have to remove the brackets. Then you have to do division. Second step. Third step you have to do multiplication. Fourth add, then subtract. Okay. Now we are going to, I'll show you one problem. Example problem you see. In the last class I have given you to write this. I have sent the pictures and asked you to write it in your classwork. So now I am going to explain you how you are going to remove them. Okay. See. See, now I am giving you 2 by 3 plus 4 by 9 plus, yes, of 3 by 5 divided by 1 2 by 3 into 1 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3. First what you have to do? Brackets. Remove these brackets. So to remove these brackets, what should you do? Add. Brackets లలో ఏమున్నాయి ఫస్ట్ యాడ్ కదా. ఈ రెండు యాడ్ చేయాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? డినామినేటర్ సేమ్ ఉండాలి. Yes, denominators must be same, but here the denominators are different. So first change mixed fractions to improper fractions. Solve brackets. So first see for both LCM of 3 and 9. Yes children, 3 9. 3 1s are 3 3s are 1 1. So LCM is equal to 9. Okay, this is step 1 children. LCM of 9. So 2 by 3 into 3. This is about brackets children. Plus 4 by 9 into 1 into 1 into 3. Now what you are going to get? 3 2s are 6 plus 4 by 9. That is 10 by 9. Brackets lalo answer ento ochindi? 10 by 9. Now you see the sum here. Now you go see the sum here. What we got in the brackets answer? 10 by 9 of 3 by 5. Of means of 3 by 5. 10 by 9 of 3 by 5. Okay. So of divided by 5 by 3 into 5 by 4. 3 1s are 3, 4, 5. 5 by 4 into 4 1s are 4, 5 by 4 minus 1 by 3. Okay children. Of ante kuda division again. Okay. Of again means a division. So solve of. Second you are going to solve of. O means of. 2 by 3 of means solve division. Pause. See children. 10 by 9. 10 by 9 means 10 by 9 into 3 by 5. Yes. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So what did you get here? 2 by 3. 2 by 3 divided by 5 by 3 into 5 by 4 into 5 by 4 minus 1 by 3. So now here division we have to. Of is over. Now we are going to division. Remove division sign. So what you are going to do? You are going to remove division. 2 by 3 division I said you. Yes. First you have to put multiplication and write the reciprocal. 3 by 5. Okay. 3 by 5 into 5 by 4 into 5 by 4 minus 5 by 4 minus 1 by 3. Okay. See. 3 3 gets cancelled. 5 5 gets cancelled. Okay. Now you see. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So what is remaining children? Here all ones, no need to write. 1 by 2 into 5 by 4 minus 1 by 3. Now you going to multiply these two. 5 ones are 5. 4 twos are 8 minus 1 by 3. Now do LCM of 8 and 3. 8 3. 3 table. 3 table 8 radu. 1. 8. 2 table. 2 4s are. 2 2s are. 2 table. 1 1. Okay children. 3 2s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 12 2s are 24. LCM is 24. LCM is equal to 24. Now 5 by 8 into 3 minus 1 by 3 into 8. 5 3s are 15 by 24 minus 8 by 24. 15 minus 8 children. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That is 7 by 24 is your answer children. Okay, followed? Like this you are going to solve. Yes, come on, right. Now this is an example problem children. Now go to your exercise problem. Go to exercise problem page number 62. Page number 62. Page number 62. What is the first one? A1 children. 4 by 5 of 4 by 9 plus 2 by 3 divided by 2 by 3. Okay? Come on. First what should you do? First remove brackets. 4 by 5 of 4 by 9 and 3. See again here LCM. LCM of 9 and 3 is 3. So how you are going to do? LCM of 9 and 3 children. Yes, just now we did in the example problem no 9 3 LCM working column lo cheskondi 9 10 3 LCM 9 3 LCM children 3 3s are 3 1s are 3 again so 9. So how you are going to do? 4 by 9 into 1 plus 2 by 3 into 3 into 3 into 1. 4 plus 6 by 9 that is 10 by 9. So what do you get here? Of brackets remove chesi 10 by 9. Okay, 10 by 9 plus here improper fraction 2 3s are 6 6 2s are 2 3s are 6 6 plus 2 8 by 3 children 8 by 3. Okay, now first you have to remove off. So see, off means into 4 by 5 into 10 by 9 plus 8 by 3. Okay, now you see 5 ones are 5 into ఉన్నప్పుడు కట్ చేయొచ్చు వేరే ఉంటే అడిషన్ ఉంటే కట్ చేయొద్దు 4 by 5 ones are 5 5 twos are 10. Okay, now you see 4 twos are 8 4 twos are 8 by 9 8 by 9 plus 8 by 3. Again LCM of 9 and 3 we have to do because ఇక్కడ ఈ 2 అడిషన్ చేయాలంటే రెండు సేమ్ ఉండాలి. So LCM will be 3. 9 LCM will be 9. 9 into 1 3 into 3 that is equal to 8 plus 24 by 3. 24 by 9 sorry. 8 plus 24 32 by 9 will be the answer children. Okay, like this you do more 2 sums by your own children. I explained you one more 2 sums you do by your own. Okay, copy this. Yes, more 2 you do as a homework. Yes, which one will you do? You do B1 and D1. B and D. Both enough. There you have no brackets, you have no multiplications. First you have to remove off, then you have to remove division. Okay? B1 lo enti first you have to remove multiplication, first remove division, then multiplication. Okay, children? Yes, children. Now page number 63. Page number 63, children. Okay, see. They read, think and solve. There are 50 students in a class. 8 students were absent. So how you are going to write? Find the fraction. Yes. Out of 50, 50 will be down. ఎప్పుడు కూడా మొత్తం ఫ్రాక్షన్ కింద రాయాలి. 8 వేర్ అబ్సెంట్. 8/50 రైట్, అక్కడే రాయండి పక్కకి. 8/50 అని ఇక్కడే పక్కకి రాసేసేయండి అమ్మా. See, like this you are going to write 8/50. Like this you are going to write. Here only in the textbook you write it off. Fraction of students present. कितने जने प्रेजेंट हो गए? 50 में से 8 एब्सेंट है, तो क्या होता है? 50 - 8 42. 42/50. Here you can cancel. Okay, here you can cancel. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are. That is 21/25. Like this you are going to write. Okay. Now you see, Mr. Ashok earned 1500 a week. He spent 500 on food, 200 on transport and 500 for his children and saved the rest. Find fraction he spent. कितने खर्चा करे? 1500 पूरा है पहले, इसमें से 500 खर्चा करे. 2 zeros cut off. 5 1s are 5 3s are. That is equal to 1/3. Okay, like this. Now transport के लिए 200 है ना, तो क्या करना? 200/1500. 2 zeros. That is 2/15. Now he spent on his children. Children को कितना खर्चा करे? 500. 500/1500. यहाँ पर भी 2 zeros कट. 5 1s are 5 3s are. ये भी 1/3. ऐसा टेक्स्ट बुक में लिख दो. मैं कैसे लिख रहा हूँ आप लोग भी टेक्स्ट बुक में राइट इन द टेक्स्ट बुक ओनली चिल्ड्रन. कनिपिस्तुंदा? ओके. ही सेव्ड. कितना बचा है? 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. सो 1200 minus 1500. 1500 minus 1200 चिल्ड्रन. दैट इज 300. 300 को कैसे लिखना? 300/1500. 3 1s are 3 5s are. That is 1/5. Okay, have you all written? Write this in the textbook only children. Enough. Okay, with this we have completed our chapter. Okay na? Do B and D as homework children. Do B and D as homework. Okay? Yes. In the next class, we are going to start decimals. Yes? If you have any doubts, call me and ask. Okay? Put a message. Thank you.